Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so this is a short tutorial video for to how to access the Al Nafi labs and a little discussion about the old portal, which is the Thinkific, and new portal, which is the Open edX. So we have logged into Al Nafi website, and here we can see two options: dashboard, new dashboard. Dashboard means Thinkific dashboard, the old portal, and new dashboard means the Open edX. So let's explore it. So we are enrolled in the Diploma in AI Advancement track. So let's see what is there in this dashboard. We have the courses, we have the testing, we have the labs basically. So let's try Python programming and check what we have here. So as we can see that the video is being loaded and it is being played now, and with each video which is being played there is a tick sign which indicates that this video has been watched, right? Let's try another video, and yes, this is also working properly. So let's go back to the dashboard. Here we also have set a day and night option, so you can change this option according to your preferences. So from here we can go to the Al Nafi Cloud Labs. If you have logged into the account in Al Nafi Cloud Labs, you will be directly taken to the website. If not, then you will have to click here and log in to the Al Nafi Cloud Labs. Right, so this is the Al Nafi Cloud website. From here you will log in if you have it already, or if you have, then you will directly go to the Docker icon above, and here you can see the lab containers dashboard. We have all the options here. We can track what is token balance, how many tokens have been used today. We can go to the new dashboard, which is Open edX, from here as well. So here we are back to the new dashboard, and we can buy new tokens from here. We can launch the container labs from here according to the package we have bought, right? So let's launch the Kubernetes labs. Right, so now they are pending. The request is pending and it will take some time for these labs to be launched. So from here we can also go to the new dashboard, the Open edX, and also to the old dashboard. So the continue studying option is the old dashboard. We can buy new tokens according to our preferences. We can choose this payment method. We can choose the price, right? So we can do all of these things on this dashboard. In the continue studying option, which is valid till 30th March, we can go back to the old portal, which is the Thinkific. This will this option will disappear after 30th March. So this is the lab which we need to perform, right? So let's go back to the containers dashboard. Here now we can see that the lab is booting and the setting basically it's booting and setting up the lab, right? And as you can see that the tokens have started to be used. So we have already almost used 4 tokens, right? So as soon as we launched the container, the tokens started to be used. So tokens per minute are 4 and tokens used are already 4, right? And as you can see that the container was launched at 2 p.m, almost 2 p.m, right? And we have set a 2 hours expiration time. So after 2 hours the container will directly automatically delete in case you forget to delete this container. And it is always obviously advised that you do not forget to delete it, and after you've completed your labs, performed your labs, you come here and you delete this container, right? So let's go back to the Nafi website cloud and check the tokens. So the daily allocation of tokens are 240 tokens daily, and if you want to perform more labs and if you want to buy new tokens, you can always do that from the containers dashboard. You can also monitor your token balance and token used each day from your dashboard. So let's go back to the dashboard. As you can see, it is still booting, right? And it is still setting up the lab, so it takes some time. Sometimes because of the internet connection or other issues, it does take some time, so you have to be patient. As you can see, almost 8 and 9 tokens have been used by this time, right? And as you can see, the continue studying option, we advise you that you tally and check the percentage completion of from both the dashboards. So you go back to the Thinkific dashboard and you check what was the percentage completion of each course in that dashboard, and then you go to the new dashboard, which is the Open edX, and you check is the same percentage completion mentioned there. If not, take a screenshot and send that screenshot to the support team Al Nafi, and we will inshallah look into the matter. Right, so it is still booting. We refresh the page. but it's still booting, so it takes time. Almost 12 tokens have been used, right? So here you can see the token balance, tokens used, and this is the lab that we will be performing inshallah in a while in Al Nafi Cloud Labs. So let's just give it a bit more time. Inshallah, it will load, it will boot in a while. We can also see the instance ID here and the instance type. As you can see now, the connect option is available. So we can connect manually for a slow internet and also connect instantly if you have a good connection. So let's connect to Al Nafi Cloud Labs. And here we can see the welcome message. So let's get started. So here we're going to check if our Linux terminal is working properly and if the internet connection is working properly in the Al Nafi Cloud Labs. So let's begin. So the first task is to try the command ls-l. So let's try it. And yes, as we can see, it is working now. So let's try ls-l. Yes, it is working. Let's try ping google.com. And yes, as we can see that we can easily and properly browse as well in the Al Nafi Cloud Lab. So this was a short tutorial video on how to access the container labs and how to access the old dashboard and the new dashboard. And again, it is worth mentioning that the old dashboard is available till 30th March, and we advise all students to check the progress, and if there's any problem, let us know through Al Nafi support team. And after you've completed your labs, do not forget to delete this container, right? In case you forget though, the expiration time is 2 hours, but that will take away from your tokens, right? So if you have completed your task before 2 hours, so we advise you to delete this so that your tokens are not used unnecessarily, right? So this was a short tutorial video. We hope you understand. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.